Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, bass. Yeah, it's pretty clear, I ain't no size 2, but I can shake it like I'm supposed to do.
Kabado na may kasama iba.
Acting yun ah. Ano ba yan? Pili kasi ano eh.
Ano? Tao dito?
Lahat ng pinaghirapan mo dito.
Mga saan dyan yung magulang?
Para yung pag-ibig na.
Wala yung magulang sa'yo.
Kung may inaani may siniga.
Siniga?
Ano, kinakabahan ako kasi baba ko ata, P6.
Confidence lang. Parang pag-ibig nga kasi. Kung pinaghihirapan mo,
Feeling ko pag TTC, nakakakaba. Kasi hindi ko alam kung may line of 7 ba o wala. Masakit sa feeling pag meron. Tsaka kung yung top 10, kasi tuwing uwi yan, pinapost, di ba? Kaya ayun, nakakakaba. Intense.
Siguro kasi pag PTC, iba yung feeling. Yung parang may halong kaba factor, tapos may halong excitement factor. Parang ganun.
PPC, parang kang inaalay. Yung parang malapit na yung death mo, malapit na yung doom mo. PTC, ewan ko, kasi wala namang kumukuha ng part ko. That's all. Okay.
PTC, stressful, tense, nervous. Parang parang judgment day nga. Parang yung mga thoughts na top 10 ba ako, honor ba ako, tumaas ba ako, bumaba. Tapos nakaka-10, sobrang kabado.
Ano ba? Piling ka ba?
PTC na ko. Yes. Nakakaige.
Nakakatakot, nakakaingay. PPC, syempre, medyo nakakakaba kasi hindi mo alam kung tumaas ka ba or bumaba. Kahit sabihin mo na parang ginawa mo yung best mo, hindi pa rin parang sapat yun. Parang malaman mo kung ano talaga yung feeling ng sa teacher.
Oo nga.
Tama yun.
Nakakabahan.
Yun, kinakabahan siya. Diba? 2, 3, 4.
It's very traumatizing, because,
We belong to the achievement.
yes. It's our first time not being in the top 10.
Yes.
To be an achiever, but we
We expect.
we were not achievers.
Yes. We expect. Oh my God.
Our parents have high standards,
Yes.
They expect us to be achievers,
My
but
parents are strict. And this quarter,
damn, man.
disqualified. Yes.
Oh my God, it's very traumatizing.
Yes.
It's traumatizing,
It's just like yesterday that we are achiever. Yes.
But today we are not.
The dream. The impossible dream.
In the last quarter, I mean, last
one of the brains. Yes.
of all subjects.
Yes. I thought I will have good grades, but I thought not. I thought not. I thought.
We thought not, yes.
Okay na. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
No trouble, I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, bass.